my Christmas tree. Isn't she lovely? Please give it a name. It's a big tree. That's the sad star. Welcome back to another K-style Korean baddie haul. As in, this is a Korean brand. I have a couple pieces of lip pop clothes. Okay, listen, Linda. When I say non-Korean body, I really mean that I'm trying these clothes on my body type, which I am a non-Korean standard body shape type image. Way off. Just so you have a close-up, this is my body. Nothing fancy. In Asia, my body weight is considered plus size. Welcome to this K-style haul on non-Korean standard body shape. Ooh. Lip Pop is literally my favorite K-style brand ever. First of all, double zipper. Oh. If you didn't realize we're starting. This is so cute. Shut the front door. I thought this was gonna be like a sweater hoodie or something like that. It's not. It's literally a shirt with double zippers right here. Can you tell? The girls are just not happy this way, so just excuse me. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I feel like the mom in Mean Girls. It is very tight on my arms, not in my armpit area, and you know that's when it's too tight. This way. What? Okay, we got the zipper completely all the way down. It looks just kind of like a regular shirt, a nonchalant. But if you want to spoof it up for the crowd to go wild, literally no one. You can unzip it down here. You can go as high as you want, as low as you want. You can literally customize it with the zippers. This is so cute. A little stuffed from the side. It's a little tight back here. You can see the squishies. I kind of like it closed up though. I'm already so obsessed with this color. It's not like a bright Barbie pink, a very blush rosy type. This pink complements so well. This top has this checkered pattern, which at first I thought squares? I don't know. But because it runs in like a diamond shape down, it kind of makes your body look a little bit more snatched and elongated. Anything vertical. Sugar mama vibes. I'm sorry, I have to say it. I have to say it. She's a rich girl. She's a bitch girl. Watch me pull up. Kind of looks like I belong on a jet. Because the pattern forms around the chesty besties, do they look bigger than they should? Twins really said fake it till you make it. They're really not this big. I mean. Am I complaining? No, not at all. Does it look a little stuffy? She's a bitch girl. Literally trying to take this off. Do you see what I mean when it's tight on the arm? This is staring me in the face, so we have to. This sweater over Jiwoo's sweater any day. Cancel! This is the kind of fit I was hoping and praying for, but never got it. First of all, it is super soft inside. I'm too excited. Wow. And the color, this is kind of like a burnt red, almost has this orange tinge to it. You can't really tell on camera. And then we have a very golden teddy bear here. He talks. Just look how long the sleeves are. Doing the helicopter trend. Look how wide and baggy this is. Look, there's so much room to eat. Even the sleeve holes, so big and loose. You see? Now we'll say if you're not 5 feet, you might find trouble when covering your ass. But if you're 5 feet with no ass, then we won, girl. We are the winners here, okay? You can't see my ass fully, can you? Shit. Either way, this is super retro. Speaking of sweaters, please make sure to buy some merch because body positive might go away. I'm not gonna come back, so. And look how good my thighs look in these. Oh days. Thighs. I hate my calves though. You win some, you lose some. Okay, first of all, I don't have a bra on. You can tell it's a little loose in this area. I wouldn't necessarily wear a bra with this. I would wear, you know, nip sticks. Obviously, you can tell this is an off-the-shoulder lettuce lace crop top. It's very cropped if you're shorter than I, or if you have chesty besties are a little, you know, little there. It's definitely gonna take up this room. I have a napkin underneath. I was too lazy to go upstairs to put some nip sticks on. I just grabbed a hand towel to put underneath. The reason being is because it's super see-through. The skin of your nips will be very prominent if you have medium to darker shades. I will say with the girl with a fat chest with no support at all, it actually looks kind of good. I mean, it's not horrible. This top has a very nice grip. The arms were extremely tight getting in, so that was a journey of its own. It's a little awkward, like, oh, that's weird. I thought this was an orange shade, but the more I look at it, it's definitely more coral-like. I love how the lettuce lace around the top part here follows through with the sleeves. Again, you can tell how see-through it is, right? Since we're here, it's very ribbed all around. Stop wearing shirts that have designs going this way, please. Find things vertical, not horizontal. Okay, I feel like I keep doing this to hold up the shirt when I could literally relax. I just feel like the sleeves are gonna slip down. There's literally no grip around your arm, so you just have to like really pray. Very cute. We like consistency. The material's nothing shocking. It feels very thin actually. Literally doesn't sit on my body well. Maybe if I... Okay, I'm just gonna stop looking at it because I keep finding something to complain about when I actually really like it. With the appropriate clothing, this could look super classy, very casual and just very girly and princess-ish. Or it could look hoey. And here's the white one. I forgot to mention that there is this ruching right in the middle, if you can see. I feel like the white one makes me look a little wider. I still really like it. I like the coral one still, and then the black one, and then the white one. That's my ranking. Absolutely no. So this is a bodysuit. I'm not gonna do the whole thing. Does not reach. Number one, she may be a little too wide for ya. So I feel like your chesty besties should sit inside this circle, right? Kind of like that. I mean, it's okay. It makes me look very wide. I mean, I'm not a fan of the scoop neck either. I've never been a fan of scoop necks. I've never been convinced that they suit me. Oh, there are holes. And the sleeves are long. I mean, what the fuck? Sorry. Once again, like there's just no shape. It's just like, oh, I don't know. It's just not good. It's not good. No, it's not good. It's not good. I don't like it at all. I don't even like this. I just feel like it's too long for me. I don't think so, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, thank you. You see how it hangs that way because it's too tight on my arms? This is literally where my skin is. I feel like this is one of my least favorite lip pop pulling items ever out of the hauls I've ever done. It just is not flattering. Is it me, Jesus? No. Nope. I am being a big baby. Literally looks like a diaper head. This haul was very short, but this is actually the last piece. You guys already know Lip Hop has the cutest zip-up hoodies like this, especially if you want cropped ones. I'm well aware my torso is non-existent, invisible. The sizing of Lip Hop hoodies just fit me so comfortably. This one has a ribbed velvet texture pattern and looks super cozy, kind of like teddy bear. It looks so snug. I love it. I will say I noticed that their hoods are always so big and wide, which is not a bad thing. I mean, look at this. You can fit 2 heads in here. Did you need to come inside? I mean, you know, put your head in. Pop your shoulder out. You just kind of wear it like that. This is how you should always wear your hoodies. Just letting you know. This is how you wear a zip-up hoodie. Or just unzip it completely and wear it like this. Decent pockets too. What a beaut. That concludes today's Lip Hop K-style haul. I know the options were very limited this time. Every piece I love except for the red one. Be aware of sizing when it comes to their top. Again, don't forget to buy your body positive merch before it sells out because we're not bringing back the design. So until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't